Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura and you are watching day 12 of the Hemline Sewing Advent Calendar. There is a link below in the description that will take you right to this product on Amazon. Yes, it is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase, we do get a little bit of a kickback. No charge to you though. And so far we have gotten lots of little tools, and I'm already seeing a need to do a little bit of straightening and reorganizing so that I have some of these available to me. Because I want to be able to use them, you know. Definitely want to use them. So we're on day 12. Here we go, up here in the corner. I love, it makes a design too. I don't know if anybody had noticed that, but they have all these lights, and when they're all put in here correctly, it makes a little design. All the little strings of lights match up. Alright, so day 12. A knitting thimble. Oh! Okay. I know they say knitting, but I see crocheting. Help me keep the tension of the thread or the yarn. Awesome. So, you know, you can just put that on whatever finger's most comfortable. It's going to take some getting used to. Which, that is a question. If I were to do some beginner crochet tutorials, is that something y'all would be interested in? Let me know in the comments below. Now, obviously, I couldn't do anything that was, you know, copyrighted or anything like that, but I could definitely get you through some of the basics and teach you what some of the symbols mean and how to do things. So that could be fun. I do like crocheting more than knitting. Part of it's because with knitting, if I drop a stitch, you know, it can just go all the way down. Whereas with crocheting, you know, I can pull out as far as I need to. And but I'll tell you, I remember doing some knitting when I was a kid and dropping that stitch. Now, my cousin, she knits some incredible stuff. And I'm just, you know, amazed at some of the things that she can make. But, and I know my grandma used to knit. And I do think knitting is a lost art, and part of me wishes I would learn it, and, you know, but, you know, sometimes some things just aren't for you, and knitting, I think, is the one. And I still love playing with my yarn. But I like crocheting. Now, my mom was real good with crocheting too. She would make dolls, and we didn't bring our we didn't bring any of her dolls down from the attic this year. But that was always when the Santa and Mrs. Claus and the Angel and the Caroler come out. You know. Sad thing is, the dolls that you would use to make these, the hard plastic fiber craft dolls, it's really hard to get a hold of them anymore. You know, it used to be you could go into Walmart and $1.97, $2.97, you could buy them, and now not finding them. And some people on eBay and other places, they really think they've got something. I can't afford them. But I do have a whole tote full of some of them because I was able to buy them up before they disappeared, you know, when they were on clearance. So I definitely am very pleased with this one. This is going to go into my crocheting. Actually, it's a little lunch box, one of those little, just small metal lunch boxes, and I keep all my crocheting stuff in there. And it rattles and makes noises and things, but that's okay. So day 12, have a knitting thimble or crocheting thimble, either way. And check down below, you'll see links to our little shop and also to our Amazon shop. Look around. A lot of the stuff, they're books that we've read on our Thursday Threads book club. There's a couple books that a very, very beautiful and kind and godly woman at our church actually wrote these books. So it's a lot of fun. You know, you go in and say, hey, I want you to sign my book. It's amazing how many people I know have written books. So some of those are on there. And some gadgets and gizmos that I've used on the videos, like the Fisker's ruler cutter combo. I don't know what I'd do without that. That has just been wonderful. So be sure to glance around in there. If you buy something, it's no charge to you, but it does help us out a little bit. But the best thing that you can do for me is to like and share our videos. Be sure to check out the other videos coming up this Christmas holiday with the other advent calendars. I think my kids are doing a great job. Be sure to give them a thumbs up and some encouragement. And be ready for some other videos coming around the corner. My sewing room is starting to take some shape. And I'm starting to, hit some of my little totes and boxes and figuring out what I'm doing. And I am itching to get back down there and do some sewing. Believe it or not, I think we've just about got all of our shopping done. So now it's a wrapping and relaxing. And if for me, I go see the rabbits. I go down and do some sewing. I do some crocheting, and I love doing stuff like that while I'm watching TV. That way I can fool myself that I'm not resting, I'm still working. But still getting to watch TV. Yes, I like my TV. Not socially popular, but at least I admit it. I hope you're having a great day. Oh, don't forget, leave me a comment below if you would be interested in some crocheting tutorials. Just let me know what you think. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're a little inspired. I hope you're getting excited about the holidays. And I really hope you'll come back tomorrow for day 13. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.